Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Maisarah and I am 22 years old. I was born in 28 July 2001 and in my previous education, I complete my STPM in SMKA Tun Said Kota Belud and I complete my STPM in SMK Usukan Kota Belud. Currently, I continue my study in Bachelor of Law in UNIZA. My mission is to empower people and organizations by providing true legal advice and advocacy, encouraging ethical and sustainable business practices in a constantly changing level. For week 1, I attend my class physically as usual, and for the class, the lecturer, which is Prof. Zuhaira and Dr. Hartini, just give us a small introduction of what is this subject about and give us the description, the explanation of our DCI. For this week also, the lecturer explained to us about the division of the mark for our assessment and final exam. In the second week, we start learning about type of business entity. There are 3 common form of business organization in Malaysia, which is first is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a business owned by one person, this is the simplest type of business to form, but the owner is personally liable for all the business debt and losses. While for partnership, a business owned by 2 or more people but less than 20 people as stated in Section 47, Subsection B of Partnership Act. Partnership can be general partnership or limited partnership. As for corporation, a business that is a separate legal entity from its owner, which is a shareholder. Corporation offer limited liability for their shareholder, meaning that shareholder are not personally liable for the corporation debt and losses. On week 3 of lecture week, we learn about type of business and sources of law. There is 3 type of business organization and sources of law used is Partnership Act 1961, Company Act, and Contract Law. There is 4 type of partner, which is active partner, passive partner, salaried partner, and partner by estoppel. In this week also, we are due to submit our draft for firm profile. While for week 4, we learned that in partnership, we understood that the relationship between partner is governed by partnership law, which determine the right, responsibility, and legal aspect of cooperation between partner. The partner acts as an agent to the company, and each partner has the authority to bind the company in the ordinary courses of business. Partner essentially bind the other partner, and partner have a fiduciary duty to demand the best of each other to ensure they do nothing in their own interests. While for week 5, due to convocation week, board lecturers are not available for our class, for our lectures, so we are just assigned for a task for our tutorial, which called a legislator. In this legislator, we are assigned to watch a short video to determine if there is a partnership relationship between the 2 main characters. While for week 6, we learned that the dissolution of partnership is already regulated by partnership law insofar as it involves the termination of the business relationship between the partner. As I understand it, one of the points is that the partner must mutually agree to dissolve the partnership by unanimous decision or according to the provision of the contract. It can also be dissolved by law in the event of death, bankruptcy, or illegal activities. Moving to week 7, we start to enter into introduction of company law. Company law is a legal framework that regulates the establishment, operation, and dissolution of business entity. The established right, responsibility, and relation between various stakeholders, including shareholder, director, official, and creditor. The main purpose of company law is to provide a structured and regulated environment for companies and to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in their business operation. Moving to week 8, me and my friend had some discussion about the topic of incorporation of a company. It turned out that establishing a company required a legal procedure, and is it necessary to establish a separate legal entity from its owner, which is the shareholder? The formation process may vary depending on the jurisdiction and the type of company that are going to be formed. Is it recommended that you seek a legal and professional advice to ensure compliance with local regulation and address your specific business need? And there's come week 9. Week 9 is mid-sem break. So I just spend my break with my friend and do some revision to sharpen my knowledge about this subject. And moving to week 10, I attend a physical class and learn about constitution of a company. Company is so-called legal person and have 5 main points. The first one is a company has their own liability, and a company also can own or dispose their own property. The third one is a company has the right to sue other and has a right to enter into any legal proceeding. Company is a separate legal entity. That's all from me. Thank you.